In this video, I'll be showing you how you can write a product description that will win you customers. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh, and in this video, I'll be giving you my 5 different tips to write effective product descriptions on your blog. And why do we need a product description on our blog? Well, if you're promoting a particular product on your blog, you're writing about it, then you need to have an effective product description. And this is what the customers would like to see about a particular product. And if they don't find it on your blog, then they move on to somewhere else. So all these 5 tips which I'm going to tell you, it's all about customer experience and how you can bring those people back to your blog so that they can keep on buying from you. And towards the end of the video, I'll be also introducing you to a tool that will make your life very easy when it comes to writing product descriptions. So please make sure to watch this video towards the end. So the number 1 tip is to include an interesting and informative title. So let me give you an example of this best-selling product from Amazon, which says Lamazzi Peekaboo Forest, a fun interactive baby book with inspiring rhymes and stories, multi one size, and the product number. So look at the headline over here. They have given all the information in this particular headline. It is very informative and it is very interesting. It says Peekaboo Forest, one interactive baby book. So that is why this is one of the best selling products on Amazon right now. The second point is to start with a strong, clear and concise information about a product that gets the point across. So again, let me show you some examples. So for this one, again, you can have a look at the introduction of the product, what it is. So it's again a short introduction and it is going to give you all the information about the product. And let me give you some more examples. Let's have a look at this Max HEPA air purifier. And again, you can see the title and the introduction part of it. And let me give you one more example of this Game Bibs. Again, you can see the introduction which says cheer on your favorite red and white theme in eye-popping style with these red and white striped Game Bib overalls. So this is what I want to show you. You need to be clear and concise with your introduction about your product. The third point is to be descriptive about your product features. So you need to include all the features about your product. So as you can see, for this particular product, it says best for bedroom, office, living room, basement, lightweight and easy to move. So these are all different features about the product. And similarly over here as well, they have mentioned about all the different features about the product, and they have also included these nice images. They have given the complete description about the features of the product, and this is what we want, as you can see over here as well. The fourth point is to mention any additional details or features in bullet points below the description so that your customer can get all the information, what they want, what they're looking for. Again, let me show you as an example over here. You can see, there are bullet points. The information is there in the bullet points, and there is also description down at the bottom. See, again, there are these bullet points that is going to give all the information, and we can see over here as well. So they have also given the information in bullet points which is useful for your customers to find out what they are looking for. And the fifth point is to provide the links about your product so that your customer can find out more information about it, which is very important. If you are promoting a product, then you have to put in the link to that product, whether that link goes to some external website, to Amazon, wherever that your customer can buy that product. So now let me introduce you to a tool that is going to help you to write these product descriptions very easily. So if you're writing a blog post, you should not be just blindly copying the descriptions from the original website to your blog, because that is not going to work. That will not stand you out from the crowd. So let me introduce you to this tool, which is Conversion.ai. It's a AI powered copywriting tool, and it has got these multiple different tools which are there inside it. I've also done a complete review to this Conversion AI, which I'll give the the link in the description below. And now talking about the product description, so here we have the product description template as well. So let's see, we want to write the product description for let's say this product, Max HEPA air purifier. So all we need to do is just copy this, and we have to fill in this information which we have, and it is going to automatically generate the output. And let me the screen a little bit so that you can see and tell us about the product. So what we will do, we'll just copy some of the information from here. Again, I'm not saying to just blindly copy this to your blog. What we are going to do, you just see what I just copy, and we just type it over here. And you can also select different tones of voice. So there are different tones of voice which are available. Let me show you. So you can include any of these tones: funny, casual, excited, professional, witty. But for this example purpose, I'll just leave it like this. And you can also select the output language. If you want to select a different language, you want the output in a different language, you can do that. And then we select the number of outputs what we want. Let's say we want to 2 outputs, and then we click on generate AI output, and you can just see the magic now in any second. So as you can see, this is the description which it has generated. So it says, sick of your home or office smelling bed, step up from the old clunky air filter with a Max HEPA air purifier. Drop in, let in is clean for 10 minutes and enjoy a fresh smelling feed. So yeah, this is the product description which you can use on your blog rather than just blindly copying this information from here. And you can also include additional points and generate another content, another description, and you can do this very easily using this tool. So you do not have to just think about what you have to write about the product and make up your own description. This tool is going to help you do that, and I'll give a link to this tool in the description down below, which will give you a 5-day free trial for this Conversion.ai, and you can have a look and see how it is going to help you in your business. And let me tell you, this is one of the best and the #1 copywriting tool available in the market today. So the link to the 5-day free trial is in the description down below, and I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.